In a world where the boundaries of imagination have no limits, the deepest forces of nature collide, bringing forth the challenge between ice and fire. Here, where the greatest contradictions meet, volcanoes blaze in a fiery sky, while the earth is blanketed in ice that flows calmly as if holding the secrets of time. This is not just a tale of natural phenomena, but a journey into the heart of this eternal conflict, into a world that embodies both mystery and beauty at once. Get ready to discover places where ice and fire become siblings in the same scene, where the earth burns with the heat of volcanoes while the sky breathes the coldness of icy mountains. Are you ready to enter this unique world? Then, let's begin this adventure together, in a world that recognizes no laws except those imposed by nature. Fagradalsfjall, Iceland, in the land of fire and ice, Fagradalsfjall emerged as Iceland's newest volcanic star, captivating the world with its mesmerizing eruptions. Located on the Reykjanes Peninsula, just 40 kilometers, 25 miles, southwest of Reykjavik, this once quiet mountain burst to life in 2021 after lying dormant for over 6,000 years. What makes Fagradalsfjall so special is its accessibility and dramatic beauty. Visitors hike through lunar-like lava fields to witness glowing rivers of molten rock, bubbling vents, and ever-changing craters. Unlike most volcanoes, it offers a rare close-up view of Earth's raw creation, a front-row seat to geology in motion. The surrounding landscape is equally surreal, with blackened hills, moss-covered valleys, and views that stretch to the Atlantic Ocean. Whether active or quiet, Fagradalsfjall invites travelers into a world where ancient forces meet the modern world, safely, spectacularly, and soul-stirringly. For those who dream of touching the Earth's fiery heart, Fagradalsfjall is Iceland's living masterpiece. Mount Etna, Italy. Nestled on the eastern coast of Sicily, Mount Etna is Europe's highest and most active volcano, a majestic force of nature that has shaped myths, landscapes, and lives for thousands of years. Towering at over 3,300 meters, 10,900 feet, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is a must-see destination for adventurers and nature lovers alike. Etna offers an otherworldly experience: black lava fields, smoking craters, and surreal views that stretch from the Ionian Sea to distant mountain ranges. You can hike its trails, ride a cable car up the slopes, or even explore icy caves formed by past eruptions. In winter, you can ski its snowy summit, while glimpsing smoking vents beneath your feet. Etna isn't just about geology. The fertile volcanic soil nurtures lush vineyards and pistachio groves, offering travelers rich local flavors and charming villages to explore. Whether you're chasing thrills, panoramic views, or authentic Sicilian culture, Mount Etna is a destination like no other. Irazu Volcano, Costa Rica. High above the Central Valley of Costa Rica, Irazu Volcano rises in quiet majesty. The country's highest active volcano at 3,432 meters, 11,260 feet. Located in Irazu Volcano National Park, just an hour's drive from San Jose, it offers sweeping views that on clear mornings stretch from the Pacific Ocean to the Caribbean Sea. What makes Irazu truly magical is its surreal crater lake, a shimmering, mineral-rich pool that shifts colors from emerald green to deep turquoise, depending on sunlight and volcanic activity. Despite its explosive past, including a major eruption in 1963, Irazu today welcomes hikers, nature lovers, and curious travelers who want to stand at the edge of a volcano's breath. The drive up winds through misty cloud forests and farmland, offering glimpses of rural Costa Rican life along the way. Irazu is more than a volcano. It's a gateway to the sky, the earth, and the pulse of a volcanic land. Stromboli, Italy. Rising dramatically from the Tyrrhenian Sea, Stromboli is one of the most captivating and active volcanoes on Earth. Located among the Aeolian Islands, just north of Sicily, this remote Italian island is home to a constantly erupting volcano, so regular in its activity that it's nicknamed the Lighthouse of the Mediterranean. Beyond the eruptions, Stromboli enchants with whitewashed villages, black sand beaches, and a peaceful island atmosphere untouched by mass tourism. It's a rare place where raw natural power and simple beauty exist side by side. For bold travelers seeking awe and authenticity, Stromboli is an unforgettable experience. Mount Morappi, Indonesia, towering over central Java, Mount Morappi, meaning Mountain of Fire, is one of Indonesia's most active and legendary volcanoes. Rising to 2,930 meters, 9,613 feet, this majestic peak looms near the cultural city of Yogyakarta, blending awe-inspiring natural power with deep spiritual significance. Morappi is both feared and revered. Its frequent eruptions have shaped the land and lives of the people below, yet its slopes remain lush and green, home to ancient temples, serene villages, and rich biodiversity. For adventurers, hiking to the summit before dawn offers a thrilling challenge and rewards, with panoramic views stretching to the Indian Ocean. Morappi is more than a mountain. It's a living force that tells stories of destruction, rebirth, and resilience. For those seeking adventure with a soul, Morappi is a journey into the heart of Java's spirit. Kotapaci, Ecuador, rising majestically above the Andean highlands, Kotapaci is one of the world's highest active volcanoes and a true icon of Ecuador. Towering at 5,897 meters, 19,347 feet, its perfect snow-capped cone pierces the sky, a striking sight visible even from the capital city, Quito. Located within Cotopaxi National Park, this mighty stratovolcano offers more than just dramatic views. It's a haven for hikers, climbers, and wildlife lovers alike. Trek through wind-swept Paramo grasslands, spot wild horses and condors, or challenge yourself with a guided ascent to the glacier-covered summit, where thin air and epic vistas await. Cotapaxi has erupted many times throughout history, yet it remains a powerful symbol of beauty and resilience. Its surrounding park is dotted with mountain lakes, ancient lava flows, and Inca ruins, making every visit a blend of nature, culture, and thrill. For adventurers seeking to touch the sky, Kotapaci is an unforgettable journey into the heart of the Andes. Mount Yasur, Vanuatu, on the remote island of Tanna in the South Pacific, Mount Yasur rises with a fiery heartbeat that never sleeps. Known as one of the world's most accessible active volcanoes, this 361-meter, 1,184-foot giant in Vanuatu has been erupting continuously for over 800 years, earning it the title, the Lighthouse of the Pacific. What makes Yasur truly special is the ability to safely stand at the rim of its glowing crater and watch as molten lava bursts into the night sky. An awe-inspiring display of nature's raw power. No fences, no glass, just you, the earth, and the fire beneath. The journey to Yasur is a cultural adventure too. Visitors often travel through jungle paths and traditional villages, greeted by the warm hospitality of the local Vanuatu people. The experience blends adrenaline, wonder, and spiritual connection. For thrill seekers and soul searchers alike, Mount Yasur offers one of the most unforgettable volcanic encounters on the planet. Rica Volcano, Chile, one of Chile's most iconic and active volcanoes, Rica towers over the picturesque town of Pucón in the country's stunning Araucania region. Standing at 2,847 meters, 9,341 feet, this snow-covered stratovolcano is not only a natural wonder, it's also one of the few volcanoes in the world with a continuously active lava lake. Rica offers an irresistible mix of adventure and beauty. Hikers and climbers from around the globe scale its slopes with the help of expert guides, often rewarded by the surreal sight of molten lava bubbling inside the crater. In winter, the volcano becomes a popular ski destination with pristine slopes and panoramic views of surrounding lakes and forests. The area around Rica is equally captivating. Think hot springs, Mapuche cultural sites, lush national parks, and the sparkling waters of Lake Rica below. Whether you're chasing adrenaline or serenity, this volcano offers a once-in-a-lifetime experience in the heart of Chilean Patagonia. Osorno Volcano, Chile, rising majestically above the deep blue waters of Lake Lanquihu in southern Chile. Osorno Volcano is a picture-perfect stratovolcano that looks like it was pulled straight from a postcard. Towering at 2,652 meters, 8,701 feet, it's often compared to Mount Fuji for its flawless cone shape and snow-capped peak. Located in the Los Lagos region, near the charming town of Puerto Varas, Osorno is a paradise for adventure seekers and nature lovers alike. In winter, its slopes transform into a scenic ski resort, while summer offers hiking, mountain biking, and panoramic views stretching from lush forests to shimmering lakes. The volcano lies within Vicente Pérez Rosales National Park, a stunning area where lava flows from past eruptions blend with waterfalls, rivers, and vibrant greenery. You can even take a chairlift halfway up the mountain for jaw-dropping views of the Andes. With its striking beauty and year-round adventures, Osorno is a must-see gem of Patagonia. Kellimutu, Indonesia. Tucked away on the island of Flores in eastern Indonesia, Mount Kellimutu is a mystical volcano known for its 3 crater lakes, each shimmering with a different, ever-changing color. Sitting at 1,639 meters, 5,377 feet, above sea level, Kellimutu is not just a geological wonder, but a sacred place steeped in local legend and spiritual meaning. What makes Kellimutu truly unique are the lakes themselves. One turquoise, one deep green, and one that can turn blood red or pitch black, their hues shifting unpredictably due to mineral content and volcanic gases. The journey to the summit is peaceful and scenic, winding through lush forests and traditional villages. At sunrise, the lakes glow beneath soft morning light, a moment of pure, otherworldly beauty that leaves visitors in awe. Kellimutu isn't just a hike. It's a poetic experience where nature and myth merge in one of Indonesia's most enchanting landscapes. Mount Aso, Japan. Nestled in the heart of Kyushu Island, Mount Aso is Japan's largest active volcano and one of the world's most impressive calderas. With a sprawling caldera stretching over 25 kilometers, 16 miles, and 5 central peaks, Aso is a place where Earth's ancient power reveals itself in dramatic fashion. The main attraction is Nakadaki Crater, which continuously steams and sometimes erupts, offering visitors a rare glimpse into the planet's fiery core. Whether you're hiking, horseback riding, or simply soaking in the views, Mount Aso offers an unforgettable journey into the raw beauty and tranquility of Japan's volcanic soul. Mount St Helens, Washington, USA. Located in the Pacific Northwest's Cascade Range, Mount St. Helens is one of America's most legendary volcanoes, known worldwide for its catastrophic 1980 eruption that reshaped the land and left a lasting mark on volcanic science. Rising to 2,550 meters, 8,366 feet, Mount St. Helens is part of the Mount St. Helens National Volcanic Monument, where visitors can explore dramatic landscapes carved by fire and ash, from vast lava plains and blast zones to recovering forests and crystal-clear lakes. Hike to the crater rim for an unforgettable view into the volcano's massive horseshoe-shaped crater. Wildlife, wildflowers, and volcanic vistas combine to create a raw, living classroom of Earth's dynamic forces. Mount St. Helens is more than a mountain. It's a story of destruction, wonder, and the ever-evolving planet beneath our feet. Mount Bromo, Indonesia, located in East Java, Mount Bromo is one of Indonesia's most iconic and breathtaking volcanoes, a smoldering giant rising from an otherworldly sea of ash. Standing at 2,329 meters, 7,641 feet, Bromo is part of the vast Tengger Massif and is still active, drawing travelers from around the world to witness its raw volcanic beauty. The real magic of Bromo begins before sunrise. Adventurers ride jeeps across a lunar-like landscape to reach the Penanjakan viewpoint, where the sky glows with shades of pink and gold, revealing a panoramic spectacle of smoking craters and mist-shrouded valleys. After sunrise, visitors can walk across the sea of sand, and climb a staircase to the crater rim, where sulfuric steam rises from the heart of the volcano. The surrounding Tengeris culture and nearby villages add layers of tradition and warmth to the journey. Bromo isn't just a destination, it's an unforgettable experience of fire, sky, and soul. Vatnajkull Iceland. Beneath a shimmering ice cap in southern Iceland lies the mighty Vatnajkull, a volcano whose name may challenge your tongue, but whose beauty will leave you speechless. Rising to 1,651 meters, 5,417 feet, this glacier-capped volcano gained worldwide fame during its 2010 eruption, which halted air travel across Europe and reminded the world of nature's raw power. Today, Vatnajkull stands as a symbol of Iceland's dramatic contrasts: fire and ice, chaos and serenity. Whether you're chasing Iceland's volcanic spirit or simply breathtaking views, Vatnajkull promises an unforgettable adventure. Wild, beautiful, and deeply Icelandic. Kawaen, Indonesia, deep in East Java. Kawaen is a volcano like no other, a surreal landscape where blue flames dance in the dark and a turquoise acid lake simmers beneath volcanic cliffs. Towering at 2,799 meters, 9,183 feet, this active stratovolcano is part of the Aegean crater complex, and it offers one of the most unique volcanic experiences on Earth. The main draw? Electric blue fire, a rare phenomenon caused by ignited sulfuric gases, best seen in the early hours before dawn. At sunrise, Kawaen reveals another marvel, the world's largest acidic crater lake, glowing with an eerie jade hue. The site is also home to brave sulfur miners who carry heavy loads up steep trails, a powerful reminder of human endurance amid natural extremes. Kawaen is not just a destination, it's a raw, elemental journey into fire, light, and the heart of Indonesia's volcanic soul. Kalawia Hawaii, USA, located on Hawaii's Big Island, Kalawia is one of the most active volcanoes on Earth, a mesmerizing force that has been continuously reshaping the land for centuries. Sitting within Hawaii Volcanoes National Park, this powerful volcano offers travelers a front-row seat to the dynamic birth of new Earth. Kalawia is more than just lava and smoke. It's sacred to native Hawaiians, believed to be the home of Pele, the goddess of fire. Visitors can explore steam vents, glowing lava tubes, and surreal landscapes carved by past eruptions. The Kellimutu crater, often glowing with molten lava, is a must-see, especially under the stars. Whether you're walking through lush rainforests, marveling at black lava fields, or standing on the edge of a steaming caldera, Kalawia delivers a powerful, almost spiritual experience. It's a living reminder of Earth's raw energy and beauty, constantly changing, always unforgettable. Yokul Salon, Iceland, where crystal blue ice meets black volcanic sand. Yokul Salon is one of Iceland's most mesmerizing natural wonders. Located on the edge of Vatnajkull National Park in southeast Iceland, this glacial lagoon is fed by the mighty Yokul Glacier, a tongue of Europe's largest ice cap. Yokul Salon is a surreal dreamscape of floating icebergs, shimmering waters, and ever-changing colors. The lagoon connects to the Atlantic Ocean, carrying chunks of ice onto the nearby Diamond Beach, where they glisten like precious gems against the dark shoreline. It's a scene unlike anywhere else on Earth. Visitors can take boat tours to glide past towering ice sculptures or simply stand in silence as seals swim by and the glacier cracks echo through the still air. With its otherworldly beauty and peaceful atmosphere, Yokul Salon feels like stepping into a frozen fairy tale. For photographers, nature lovers, and those in search of Iceland's soul, this is a place you'll never forget. Vatnajkull, Iceland, stretching across southeastern Iceland, it's not just a glacier, it's a frozen kingdom of epic proportions, covering over 8% of the country. It's the largest glacier in Europe by volume, and the crown jewel of Vatnajkull National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Beneath its thick, icy surface lies a world of volcanic secrets. The glacier feeds surreal blue ice caves, thundering waterfalls, and shimmering glacial lagoons like Yokul Salon. Adventurers can hike across its icy expanse, explore dazzling crystal caves in winter, or take scenic flights to witness the vast, undulating whiteness stretching to the horizon. Whether you're a thrill seeker or a quiet admirer of nature, Vatnajkull offers a glimpse into the primal forces that shape our planet. It's not just a destination, it's a journey into Iceland's ancient, icy heart. Kumbu region, Nepal, high in the Nepalese Himalayas, lies the legendary Kumbu region, a land of towering peaks, ancient monasteries, and epic journeys. Home to Mount Everest, the world's highest mountain, Kumbu is a dream destination for trekkers, climbers, and seekers of awe-inspiring adventure. Trails wind through pine forests, across suspension bridges, and into Sherpa villages like Namche Bazaar and Tengboche, rich in hospitality and culture. Snow-capped giants like Lhotse, Nuptse, and Amadablam dominate the skyline, forming a panorama that humbles every visitor. Kumbu isn't just about summits, it's a spiritual experience. Prayer flags flutter in the wind, yaks roam the valleys, and every step brings you closer to the soul of the Himalayas. Whether you're aiming for Everest Base Camp or simply exploring the region's raw beauty, Kumbu offers a life-changing journey above the clouds. Lake Baikal, Russia, hidden deep in Siberia. Lake Baikal is a natural wonder of superlatives, the deepest, oldest, and clearest freshwater lake on Earth. Over 25 million years old and plunging more than 1,600 meters, 5,300 feet deep, Baikal holds nearly 20% of the world's unfrozen freshwater, a true reservoir of life. Surrounded by snow-draped mountains and endless forests, the lake offers beauty in every season. In summer, its turquoise waters invite kayaking, hiking, and boat tours to explore hidden coves and sacred islands. In winter, Baikal transforms into a surreal frozen world, a glassy surface of cracked ice, glowing blue caves, and icy bubbles trapped beneath the surface. Home to thousands of unique species, including the rare Baikal seal, the lake is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a sacred place for local cultures. Whether you come for adventure, silence, or a brush with Earth's ancient soul, Lake Baikal will leave you breathless. Mendhal Glacier, Alaska, USA, just 12 miles from downtown Juneau, Mendhal Glacier is a breathtaking window into Alaska's icy soul. Stretching 13 miles, 21 kilometers from the Juneau icefield, this magnificent river of blue ice flows into a serene glacial lake, framed by rugged peaks, misty forests, and thundering waterfalls. Easily accessible, yet wildly untamed, Mendhal offers unforgettable encounters with nature. Visitors can kayak among floating icebergs, hike trails that lead to panoramic overlooks, or venture into magical ice caves glowing in sapphire hues. Nugget Falls, a powerful cascade near the glacier's face, adds even more drama to the landscape. The Mendhal Glacier Visitor Center provides insights into the glacier's history, movement, and the effects of climate change, making this more than a sightseeing stop. It's a place of reflection and wonder. For those seeking raw beauty, adventure, and a touch of the Arctic, Mendhal is a shimmering gem in Alaska's wild crown. Pareto Mareno Glacier, Argentina, deep in the heart of Argentine Patagonia. The Pareto Mareno Glacier is a living, breathing wall of ice, towering, thunderous, and constantly shifting. Located within Los Glaciares National Park in the Santa Cruz province, this natural wonder stretches over 30 kilometers, 19 miles, and stands up to 70 meters, 230 feet, tall above the turquoise waters of Lake Argentino. Unlike most glaciers in the world, Pareto Mareno is advancing, making it one of the rare few still growing. Visitors can witness massive chunks of ice, carving off the glacier's face and crashing into the lake below, creating a spectacle of sound and motion that stirs the soul. Walkways and viewing platforms offer front-row views, while boat tours and guided ice treks let you get even closer to this icy giant. Briksdal Glacier, Norway, tucked deep within the arms of Norway's stunning Jostedalsbreen National Park, Briksdal Glacier, or Briksdalsbreen, is a jaw-dropping spectacle of ice cascading down between steep mountains and lush valleys. It is one of the most accessible arms of the massive Jostedalsbreen, the largest glacier on mainland Europe. Located near the village of Olden in western Norway, Briksdal plunges from a height of 1,200 meters, 3,937 feet, into a glacial lake surrounded by waterfalls, forests, and dramatic cliffs. The contrast between the icy blue glacier and the vibrant green valley creates a scene of surreal natural beauty. Whether you're marveling at the ice from afar or standing near its shimmering face, Briksdal offers a powerful encounter with the timeless beauty of Norway's frozen wilderness. Athabasca Glacier, Canada, flowing gracefully from the mighty Columbia icefield in the heart of the Canadian Rockies, Athabasca Glacier is one of the most visited and accessible glaciers in North America. Located in Jasper National Park, Alberta, this frozen giant stretches 6 kilometers, 3.7 miles, long and plunges deep into a valley of rugged peaks and wild alpine beauty. What makes Athabasca Glacier truly special is the chance to walk on ice that's thousands of years old. Visitors can hop aboard a giant Ice Explorer vehicle and ride directly onto the glacier's surface, or step out onto the nearby Glacier Skywalk, a glass platform suspended above a breathtaking glacial valley. A visit to Athabasca Glacier is not just an adventure. It's a chance to touch ancient ice, feel Earth's heartbeat, and witness nature's power and fragility up close. Franz Josef Glacier, New Zealand. Tucked within the lush rainforests of New Zealand's South Island, Franz Josef Glacier is one of the rare places on Earth where ancient ice meets temperate jungle. Located in Westland Tai Putini National Park, this magnificent glacier descends from the Southern Alps to just 300 meters, 980 feet above sea level, making it one of the most accessible glaciers in the world. Named by German explorer Julius von Haast in honor of Emperor Franz Joseph I of Austria. What makes Franz Joseph truly magical is the contrast, where icy blue meets deep green and fire-forged mountains cradle frozen rivers. It's a place where nature defies the rules, offering both serenity and thrill in one dramatic landscape. If you enjoyed this video and loved joining us on this journey, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new adventures. We have so many amazing trips and places waiting for you, and we want you to be a part of every step we take. Hit that subscribe button now, and let's embark on unforgettable adventures together.